Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use your internal laptop hard drive as an external portable hard drive. So let's start the video. So for this you're going to need your hard drive of your laptop, new or used, any of which is available to you, as well as an external case for that hard drive. So these are cases that are used to make your internal hard drive to be worked as an external hard drive and can be connected to different PCs via the USB port. You don't have to supply any external power, as all of the things are built into the case. All you have to do is to plug one cable to the case and the other to the USB port of your PC or laptop, and your hard drive becomes ready to be used as an external hard drive. So on the market you have different cases for your hard drive. Some of them support USB 2.0 and some of them support USB 3.0. So I highly recommend that you buy the external portable case for your hard drive that supports USB 3.0, because the main advantage of having USB 3.0 case is that you can transfer data quite fast as compared to USB 2.0. Other than that, your USB 3.0 case will be slightly expensive than your USB 2.0 case, but it's really worth the money because you can transfer data really fast as compared to the USB 2.0 case. So I'm going to use the Western Digital Elements case. You can get any case on the market that is available to you. I have this one. This does support USB 3.0, so that's why I got this one. So let's move towards the installation of the internal hard drive to the external portable case. So here I have the Western Digital Elements case. This case will be used to make our internal hard drive to be used as an external portable hard drive, meaning that our hard drive will go into this case and we can then easily connect it to any of our PCs. So you can use any brand's external case. I am using Western Digital's. If you have Seagate's or any local brand, you can use that as well. The main thing is that this case supports USB 3.0. That's why I bought this one. Some of the cases don't support USB 2.0, so I highly recommend that you get a external hard drive portable case that supports USB 3.0. So anyways, here is the case itself. So all the cases are different in look, but their main purpose is same, that is to make the hard drive portable for external use. So here you will have its little circuit with one side having the SATA connector that will go to your hard drive, and the other port that we will use to connect our hard drive to our PC externally. So let me show you the connectors first. So here is the wire that will be used to connect our hard drive to our PC externally. You can see that the connector is blue, meaning that this does supports USB 3.0. So that's why I'm saying you should get external case that supports USB 3.0. And here is my 500 gigabyte hard drive. This is not a new hard drive. I just moved it from my PlayStation 4, as I have upgraded the hard drive on that one. So this was becoming useless, so I thought why not make an external hard drive for this so that it can be useful. So here you can see the SATA connectors, and if you take that circuit, all you have to do is to align both of these connectors, and when you do so, you can see that one side SATA connector, and on the connector and on the circuit you also have the one side SATA connector. All you have to do is to align them and to insert them. You can see that it is quite firmly inserted inside it. So here I have the case with the plastic. Again, it will be different for different cases, but I'm currently using the Western Digital Elements case. So all I'm going to do is that I'm going to align it with that case so that the connectors are shown, and once it is done, all I'm going to do is I'm going to place it from the top and I'm going to swap it in. And here you have your internal hard drive that now can be used for external purposes and can save data, and you can export it from one computer to another. Here is the cable. You're going to plug it here, and the other side will go onto your PC. So let's move towards our PC and let's check it out whether this case is working or not, and what is the speed of USB 3.0 when using this case. So here I am on my PC. Currently you can see these are the local drives. So now I'm going to connect the external hard drive that I just put it on the case. So let's see whether it detects or not. It is a 500 gigabyte hard drive, so it should show here. So I'm still waiting for it to pop up and show. I can see a light on the external case, meaning that it is connected to my PC, but it is not showing here. So I think I need to first go to the drive manager and make it visible to my PC. So that's very simple. All you have to do, you can see on the left your this PC, you're going to right click on it, you're going to go to manage. So all I'm going to do is go to the storage manager of this PC, and I'm going to see whether my device is being detected or not. Here on storage it says disk management. You are going to press on it and let's see whether it's find it or not. So yeah, let's see whether it is showing or not. So here it is. So disk 3, which is 465.76 GB, it is online but it is not showing it here. This is because I have been using this hard drive on my PlayStation 4. So it currently has the PlayStation 4 operating system. That's why Windows cannot detect it. So it's very simple. All you have to do is to select, you're going to right click on it and you're going to delete all of these volumes one by one until all the volume become equal. Before you start doing this, be sure that this is the external hard drive, because I know for sure my PC has 111 GB SSD and a 2 terabyte disk hard drive. So I know for sure that the disk 3 is the external 500 GB hard drive that I have connected. So before you start deleting these partitions, please double check that you are deleting the right partition or not. If you accidentally deleted one of your PC's hard drive, then your data will be lost. So double check which hard drive you are deleting. I know for sure that this is the external hard drive that I just connected. So I'm going to right click delete volume one by one. So now here you can see the external hard drive, that is the 500 gigabyte hard drive that I connected. Here you can see it says unallocated. For your PC to detect it, all you have to do is to right click on it, new simple volume, next the full size we want the hard drive to be used, and finish. So now it's going to format your external hard drive, and once it does, you can see that now your external hard drive is visible on your PC. So now if I unplug the cable, you can see that it disappears, and now if I plug it again on my laptop, it should appear by itself. Here you can see. So now let's copy any one of about 2 to 3 GB file to this external hard drive to see how fast USB 3.0 on this case is working. So I'm just going to copy any one of the video like this, Aladdin. I'm going to copy it, and here I'm going to paste it. So it is a 2 GB hard drive, and you can see the transfer rate is about 95 megabytes per second, which is quite a nice speed. So that's why I was insisting to get a case that supports USB 3.0, because USB 3.0 is very fast. And also you need to connect the USB 3.0 to one of your laptops USB 3.0 port to get this kind of speed. So here you can see, if I open, Aladdin is copied. I'm going to unplug the hard drive. I'm going to plug in again, and I'm going to open, and Aladdin is present. So guys, if you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so. Thank you for watching this video.